I would never raise my kids in Europe. I don't want to send them to school there. I don't want them to walk around alone. To be honest, I don't even want them to visit it. Raising children in Europe now is extremely dangerous.
Seperti yang bisa kita lihat pada video barusan, bagi banyak orang Barat, membawa anak hingga membesarkan mereka di Eropa atau negara-negara Barat seperti Amerika, bukan lagi hal yang terasa nyaman seperti dulu. Tingkat kriminalitas yang terus meningkat, kekerasan, hingga perundungan ekstrim sudah menjadi berita harian. Selain faktor keamanan fisik, ketakutan terbesar orang tua Barat saat ini justru datang dari arah yang tak kalah mengkhawatirkan, yaitu ideologi. Banyak orang tua bule merasa sistem pendidikan dan lingkungan sosial di negara mereka mulai dipenuhi nilai-nilai yang bertabrakan dengan norma manusia normal. Ketika pertama kali menginjakan kaki di Indonesia, banyak bule datang dengan rasa waspada. Mereka mengira akan menghadapi lingkungan yang keras, tidak aman, dan sulit bagi anak-anak. Namun apa yang mereka temukan justru berkebalikan 180 derajat dari bayangan mereka selama ini. Dari sisi nilai, banyak orang tua bule merasa lebih tenang membesarkan anak di Indonesia. Norma sosial masih kuat, sopan santun dijunjung tinggi, dan peran keluarga sangat dihormati. Sekolah dan lingkungan tidak secara agresif memaksakan ideologi tertentu kepada anak-anak. Orang tua merasa memiliki ruang untuk mendidik anak sesuai nilai mereka sendiri.
I love Bali. We've just arrived at one of our favourite restaurants. We've just come here on a whim for a bite to eat. They've got an amazing outdoor play area. I'll show you in a second. But they've now got a kids club every single day from 5 till 9. So it's no extra cost for this. It's just included in you eating here. And they do bracelets with the kids and painting. They sometimes have a movie night. I just think it's such a nice idea. So I've just sat down. I'm actually able to have a drink and my friend's meeting me so we can actually have a conversation because the kids are being entertained. But let me just show you. So look, this is the play area here, which is absolutely huge. And then this is the kids club that they've got. So let's... Hi! Oh, you're making bracelets? Wow.
Only one.
Oh, Selena's picking them.
One. Is it the big?
All these little extras that are offered just at no extra charge just makes a huge difference. I just love it so much. It makes life so much easier when you have kids.
I just seen a video of some kids dancing their little heart out on the dance floor at Legends Bar in Bali, and oh my god, did it bring back some nostalgia. Hey, I'm Kylie, and my family of 5 have been living in Bali for the last 3.5 years. And when I tell people that we're living in Bali, their vision goes straight to us living in Legian and living that holiday lifestyle of having that nightlife and those restaurants at our fingertips, and it couldn't be further from the truth. We live in a very quiet neighbourhood on the opposite side of the island by choice, and we live what I consider a very normal life. Whereas we don't go out every night. My kids have extracurricular activities after school. I cook dinner. It's different to living in Australia, but we're not living in that tourist hotspot. And watching those kids dance on the dance floor definitely brought back a lot of really good memories for me though, because we were one of those families that came to Bali, came to Legian every year, and when we were old enough, that was me, my sisters, my cousins, all dancing on the dance floor while the parents had some drinks, and then so it just really brought back a big nostalgia hit for me. But then it got me thinking that, gosh, my kids just have never experienced that side of Bali the way I remember it, because I grew up loving Legian, but now living here, I can't stand going over there. We'll go there maybe to watch the sunset or ride the waves, but other than that, one day in Legian gives me massive stimulation overload. I'm just get me out of here.
Tak sedikit bule yang akhirnya menyebut Indonesia sebagai salah satu negara paling ramah anak di dunia. Bukan karena gedung tinggi atau teknologi canggih, tetapi karena manusianya. Kehangatan, kepedulian, dan rasa aman yang tumbuh secara alami justru menjadi faktor utama. Bahkan beberapa bule mengaku, anak-anak mereka menjadi lebih ceria, lebih sopan, dan lebih stabil secara emosional sejak tinggal di Indonesia. sesuatu yang sebelumnya sulit mereka dapatkan di negara asal. Indonesia membuktikan bahwa keamanan anak tidak selalu ditentukan oleh kemajuan teknologi atau kekayaan negara. Justru nilai sosial, kepedulian masyarakat, dan budaya kekeluargaanlah yang menjadi fondasi utama. Sesuatu yang perlahan hilang di banyak negara barat.